this video, I'm going to showing you how to track GoHighLevel from submission tracking using Google Tag Manager and sending the data Google Analytics platform. This is actually basically Google Analytics event and lead generation event actually. So last video I already showing you like how to track Google Ads conversion tracking GoHighLevel and already add like a custom listener code and like attribution model system. So we are already know how to add listener code. So now we can again uh, explain you how to add. So this is actually a listener code. Just copy the code and go to the Google Tag Manager and click the new tag. Okay. Click the new tag and just you can paste the click the custom HTML tag. Now you can just put this code. Okay. And selected the trigger. The trigger is all page. I already put. That's why I not saved this one. Okay. So now showing the step by step how can you set up this one. So now we can go to the preview mode. Check it Google Tag Manager working or not. Last video already showing. Okay. If you are not watching the how to set up the GoHighLevel Google Ads conversion tracking video, this is the actual video. You can go to the YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel and check it this video. And you can go to the playlist. This playlist GoHighLevel related all video step by step I will show you. Okay. So now we can connected the website. Just waiting some second for connecting purpose. So I think website is connected. Just need to wait for loading this form because this is the different website form. So that's why I need to waiting some second. Okay, so our form is completely loaded and visible. So now we can test like like so now put the phone number. Suppose. And put the email. Put the email. We can put the and select this information. Now click the submit and go to the Google Tag Manager and it's already firing the GCL from submit event. Just you can select this one. Okay. So I already you need to just copy this event name and go to the Google Tag Manager and need to create the new trigger. Okay, need to create the new trigger and click the new trigger and selected the custom event and just put this event and make it the okay. I have already created before this trigger, so that's why I'm not save it. Okay, so now back and go to the tag manager tag section and go to the Google Analytics. Need to configure the Google Analytics Google tag. Okay, measurement ID. So now go to the Google Analytics dashboard and go to the admin section. Now visible this section and click the data stream. Go to the data stream, then selected your targeted website data stream and copy the measurement ID. Now you can just copy the measurement ID, go to the Google Tag Manager again and go to the click the new tag, then selected the tag configuration section and selected the Google Analytics, then first selected the Google tag and we need to put the Google tag ID measurement ID and put the configuration section and click the add parameter and sending the page view event to okay. So I already selected the trigger automatically by default. So now you can put the name Google Tag GA4. GA4. Now click the save. Now again back and click the new tag and selected the tag configuration and selected the Google Analytics and now selected the Google Analytics event GA4 event and selected the measurement and now again copy the measurement ID. I already copied, just I can paste and put the event name. The event name is suppose generate lead, and if you need anything like if you put anything yourself. Okay, so I put the this is the like lead generation actually from lead from, that's why I put the lead generate lead. Okay, generate lead. So now, if you want to add any parameter, for example, I could just paste URL, paste path, paste URL, paste path. Okay. Paste path. So now I can select the trigger. The trigger is I have already created GCL from submit GA cell. Now we can save the ID like event. The event name is GA4 event generate lead GA is from. So now save. So now I can check it this event is working or not. Now I can click the again preview mode and need to wait for connecting the website. So again connecting the website and go to the website. Let me check if the form is still not load, just waiting for some time. And we can go to the Google Analytics platform and go to the back, and we can go to the data display section, click the debug view. Let's check if the event is working or not. Okay. Otherwise, we can go to the report section and we can check in the real-time report. This is actually main thing, like maximum client need to check the real-time reports. So we go to the real-time overview, and just a second, is traffic is coming already, and this page go high level from page I already going to that, so I Google Analytics already connected. So now we can again put the suppose. Now put the phone number. Now put the email. Okay, so now select this information and click the submit, and you can see GoHighLevel from is working, and this is the Google Analytics. Okay, this is the Google Analytics event. This is the unknown type showing, but it's successfully firing, and Google Analytics showing the generated lead. Okay, and you can see Google Analytics event section. They already send it data, and go to the analytics. You can see this event is working. Okay, and every information I will send the page URL and page path, space path. This one go high level from, and this is actually page URL. Every event information is sending to level. So this is the actually total process. Set up go high level from submission tracking using Google Tag Manager and like Google Analytics event. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and if you need any help or if you have a question, uh, just message me. Thank you so much.